Good morning, garden friends. Today I was going to actually be working in my back garden area, putting some more bulbs down, but I got a package today from DeerFamy. It is a garden seat and kneeling that this is perfect timing. A couple years ago, I ended up having to have knee surgery, and it has sometimes been hard for me to get up and down. And I think this is just perfect for me to be able to utilize this as I'm planting the bulbs. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing, because guess what? Yes, it's also blue. Guy open. Let's go ahead and get it open. Probably would help if I brought my knife out. And I know the one thing that they were telling me, because this is actually a new color that they are testing out. In this pretty baby blue color. Also, the DeerFamy kneeler and seat specs are in the upper right hand corner. Separate kneeling pad. Oh, they also gave me some gloves. You can never have too many gloves. Oh, and they have the little claws on these. And I'm always digging in my dirt with my hands, so. All right, looks like the handles. And then it also has two pouches that go on the side, so I can keep all of my tools right there with me. And let's see here. So, yeah, get the seat, the handlebars, two tool bags, the pair of gloves, and then also a 1-inch kneeling pad. So, and it looks like the instructions are self-explanatory. That makes it real simple. Okay. And then you just work the handles. They're nice and snug. Okay, so the handles end up slipping over. And now I can end up putting the bags to where I can definitely put tools in there on both sides. Now, this is in the seat mode, and then you take those off and turn it over to the kneeling. And this is a good thing because this is nice and sturdy to be able to push yourself up on it. So, like I said, with me having knee surgery, we're getting ready to go ahead and test this out while I go over here and get the rest of my bulbs planted. So come along with me. Like I said, I was already digging my holes for the remaining bulbs that I'm going to put back here in this garden bed when I did get the kneeler seat from DeerFamy. So let's go ahead and check this out, see how this works. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. I'm going to try the new gloves because I am putting bulbs in here. And yes, I do have the holes already dug, but I still like to make sure I'm anywhere between 4 to 6 inches deep. Now, the bulbs that I'm planting over here are the King Alfords and also Dutch Masters. Now, the King Alfords get 12 to 14 inches, and the Dutch Masters get 10 to 12. So this is me layering. These guys are going to be in the back. These guys are going to be in the front. Okay, well, I'll tell you this. It's easy on my knees. yeah, that makes it so much easier. I actually want to get on the back side because I want to be able to scoop them and get the bulbs lined up in there. So, but I'm still going to use this. Oh yeah, guys, this is very, very good for somebody who may end up having surgery on their knees. I'm not feeling any pressure on it, and I will definitely be getting some use out of this. So let me go ahead and get the rest of these bulbs planted, and then I'm gonna put some composted manure over top of all of the bulbs like I have been doing throughout the garden. And then the other thing that makes this really nice, I can like work around my stuff. Easy access. All right, so let's get the bulb cone in there. Like I said, these are the King Alberts that I'm lining up in the back because they're taller. And then this is, like I said, you know, let me show you an example. Like this one here, I'm not gonna plant it because it's mushy and I probably will not get anything from it. So now that I am done with my bulbs, my lamb's ear, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned out because the last step is for me to just blow everything out, any debris. Oh, and I still have to clip back my yellow flag irises and then put my compost and manure all over so that everything is ready for spring, or at least until I get my mulch down. But that won't be done until we get the fence painted. So let me go ahead and get these lamb's ears taken care of. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys cleaned up. I think I'm going to put some more soil in here to raise them up because this just might be a low end of the slope to where they might be getting too much water. But look at that, that's like, I can't stand that. And I know it's doing what it's supposed to be doing based off of what everybody's telling me, but I just can't stand it. So I figured let me just go ahead and get it cleaned up and call it a day. All right. Okay, so I end up getting the topsoil down in all the areas that I planted bulbs. Back here, got the lamb's ear thinned out and looking good. Ended up getting the yellow flag irises and my bearded irises cleaned out, and also planted some bulbs in those areas there. And the other thing that we ended up doing, like I said, our yard is on a hill, and we actually are putting up this rock barricade. We already had the rocks here, the white ones. When the rain would come down, it would push the mulch into the rocks. So we took rocks that we had in our yard and built it up just a little bit higher so that it could direct the water to the different outlets that we have, because we have one in that corner. We have this one here. so that as the water comes down the hill, we're able to divert it. So, I was able to get everything that I wanted done today. As far as the DeerFamy, I'm loving it. All right, guys, like I said, this is definitely a gardener's necessity, and that I can house all of my tools that I use when I am planting. Once again, I want to thank DeerFamy for doing this collaboration and your perfect timing of having me test out the DeerFamy garden kneeler and seat. So they are also allowing me, seeing that we're doing this collaboration, to offer a discounted cost to anyone that chooses to purchase this, and I will have it within the link of my description.